Hey guys, this is how to use Bluesky. So guys, Bluesky will be available on PC or website, or you can just simply download it in the Google Play Store or App Store. So just simply open up the Bluesky and just simply create an account. And once you have created an account, this will be their homepage. And now from here, guys, you will have a simple interface. At the bottom, you should be able to see five buttons. So at the first one, you should be able to see the house, which is the home, where you could see all of the people posts and all of the people discussions. And from here, you can just simply scroll down and read all of their posts. And now you should be able to see the next one, which is the search icon, where you can see other people account and you can discover new feed, or you can go for a group or discussion. And let's say I'm going to go for the art. So just simply tap on art. And as you can see, a lot of people post on this category over here. And another thing is when you tap on the middle, which is the message icon, you should be able to message other accounts as well. And you should be able to see here your notification if you get notified or people interact with your posts. And now lastly, we have the profile icon, which you should be able to see here all of your posts, your replies, media, likes, and the other stuff as well. So pretty much guys, Blue Sky is like a Twitter where you can post or provide your thoughts and experiences on this platform. There you go. See ya.